What's up, y'all? Video number 38. I know, right? Can't believe we're already up to video number 38. The Salty Pretzel. I know, crazy name. You'll see why here in a minute. The other night I was watching Instagram and I saw this cat doing these wild moves. And I forwarded the video to my friend Speedbag Spidey. And when Rob replied to it, he said, "Damn, man, we got to call that like the Salty Pretzel." It's like, dude, I dig that name because that's what it looks like, man. Dude just shaking some salt all over that move. So I'll do the move real quick and then we'll break it down. So the Salty Pretzel, it's a seven punch combination. It comes off the quads. Very similar to video number 28, the reach around, where the reach around actually has two punches after the it's a reverse and a forward punch off the quads. This has three. I'll show it to you real quick. So it looks like this. Okay, so Salty Pretzel at pace. So we'll slow it down now. So where you're gonna start is you're gonna start with the quads, 1, 2, 3, 4, and off the elbow, 5 is gonna slide in right behind it, okay? So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, ball's gonna come up, come back down. As the elbow slides out of the way, it's gonna be 5, 6, 7, okay? And then after you punch it away, the quad comes back in going the opposite direction. So like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it helps on the 7th punch if you kind of hit the ball at a diagonal going that way. That way when you come up with the quad again, it's going to come right there to your elbow. Okay? And that little tip helps out tremendously. All right? So I'll kind of go slow and then we'll pick it up a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, I'm pushing it away on 7. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Like I say, it lines it up for that elbow coming on the quad. All right, I'll change up angles a little bit so we can see it from a little different way. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then once you get those parts down, you just start speeding it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Screwed that one up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We all screw up from time to time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The Salty Pretzel. Got any questions? Hit me up. We'll talk about it. We'll get you bagging. Bang on, y'all.